Please remain seated and come to order. This court is now in session.
Right, the record will reflect we have both counsel, Mr. Abulaban, we have our jury, and I've been told that you have reached a verdict. Is that correct? Looks like juror number 12 is our foreman. If you can hand that verdict forms to Henry.
In the Superior Court of the State of California, in and for the County of San Diego, the people of the State of California, plaintiff versus Ali Abulaban, defendant, case number SCD 292181, verdict. We, the jury in the above entitled cause, find the defendant, Ali Abulaban, guilty of the crime of murder in the first degree.
Silence. Nothing.
Of Rayburn Cardenas Barron in violation of Penal Code Section 187, Parent A, as charged in. It is. In count 2 of the information. And we further find the allegation that in the commission and attempted commission of the above offense, the defendant, Ali Abulaban, intentionally and personally discharged a firearm, to wit, a handgun, and approximately caused great bodily injury and death to a person within the meaning of Penal Code Section 12022.53, Parent D, to be true. Special circumstance as to count 1 and 2, and we further find the allegation against the defendant, Ali Abulaban, that he has in this proceeding been convicted of more than one offense of murder in the first or second degree within the meaning of Penal Code Section 190.2, Parent A, Parent 3, to be true. Dated May 29, 2024, jury 4-person. Same title, same cause, verdict. We, the jury in the above entitled cause, find the defendant, Ali Abulaban, guilty of the crime of murder in the first degree of Anna Abulaban, in violation of Penal Code Section 187, Parent A, as charged in count 1 of the information. And we further find the allegation that in the commission and attempted commission of the above offense, the defendant, Ali Abulaban, intentionally and personally discharged a firearm, to wit, a handgun, and approximately caused great bodily injury and death to a person within the meaning of Penal Code Section 12022.53, Parent D, to be true. Special circumstance as to count 1 and 2, and we further find the allegation against the defendant, Ali Abulaban, that he has in this proceeding been convicted of more than one offense of murder in the first or second degree within the meaning of Penal Code Section 190.2, Parent A, Parent 3, to be true. Dated May 28, 2024, jury 4-person. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, was this and is this your verdict as I have just read to you?
Yes. You decide which to pull the jury.
Yes, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I will ask you individually, was this and is this your verdict as I have just read? Please answer yes or no to that question. Juror number 1, was this and is this your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 2, same question.
Yes.
Juror number 3, same question.
Yes.
Juror number 4, same question.
Yes.
Juror number 5, same question.
Yes.
Juror number 6, same question.
Yes.
Juror number 7, same question.
Yes.
Juror number 8, same question.
Yes.
Juror number 9, same question.
Yes.
Juror number 10, same question.
Yes.
Juror number 11, same question.
Yes.
And juror number 12, same question.
Yes.
Your Honor, all answer in the affirmative.
Charlie, record the verdicts. Ladies and gentlemen, you have now completed your jury service on this case. On behalf of the judges of this court, please accept my thanks for your time and effort. Now the case is over, you may choose whether or not to discuss the case and your deliberations with anyone. I will remind you that under California law, you must wait at least 90 days before negotiating or agreeing to accept any payment or information about the case. Let me tell you about some rules the law puts in place for your convenience and protection. The lawyers in this case, the defendant or the representatives, may now talk to you about the case, including your deliberations of verdict. Those discussions must occur at a reasonable time and place and with your consent. Please immediately report to the court any unreasonable contact made without your consent by the lawyers in this case, the representatives, or the defendant. A lawyer, representative, or defendant who violates these rules or violates the court order and may be fined. I would now order that the court's record of personal juror identifying information, including names, address, and telephone numbers, be sealed until further order of this court. If in the future the court is asked to decide whether the information will be released, notice to be sent to any jurors whose information is involved. You oppose the release of this information and ask that a hearing on the issue be closed to the public. The court will decide whether and under what conditions any information will be disclosed. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a long trial. Thank you very much for your service on this case. I spend a lot of time watching you, and you were very focused, very diligent in assessing the credibility of people, and I appreciate your effort in this. The attorneys appreciate your efforts, so thank you very much, and we will see you in 3 years. So you are now allowed to leave. Thank you very much. What's his custody status? All right, so the defendant will remain out on no bail. Kind of sentencing date?
Council, due course sentencing is June 27th. That is a Thursday. It would be at 9 o'clock.
Would the court prefer to do it on a Friday, or does it have any preference to when we do it?
Whenever you test. What date is that?
It's a Thursday, Your Honor. June 27th. At the end of the month.
One we could do Friday morning.
The 28th? That's fine.
Sir Abulaban, you have a right to be sentenced within the statutory terms. Do you waive that right, and I will put it over 1 day?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Abulaban.
Probation hearing and sentencing will be on June 28th at 9 o'clock a.m. in Department 2002.
All right, we'll be in recess.
Members of the audience, please wait in the hallway. Yeah, keep me safe.
No. You guys take it all back and then, that's just the way I operate, so in case anybody says anything, it's like, nope, detective has it, I've always done it for like 25 years, so it works that way, so.
Charlie, this is yours, right?
No, none of that's mine.
So all of this, okay.
I think it might be you guys.
Okay, just throw these away. I want to make sure that's.
Yeah, you can just toss it all, you can just toss it over there.
All right, I'll just throw it all.